soft and slow, lanterns glow on streets below. Every window tells a story, warmth and wonder, Christmas glory. Heart fires hum, the bells ring bright. Love is shining through the night. Hear the laughter down the hall. Peace has come to one and all. Hold your worries, let them go. Christmas is the light we know. Light up the night, let the world sing. Joy to the hearts that Christmas brings. Hands held tight as the church bells chime. Hope is here, it's Christmas time. Stars above, like candles white, guiding us home. Light up the night. Cookies cooling, cinnamon sweet, footprints gather by the street. Children whisper, do you hear it? Carols drifting, feel the spirit from the smallest candle flame. Love will never be the same. Hear the laughter down the hall. Peace has come to one and all. Hold your worries, let them go. Christmas is the light we know. Joy to the hearts that Christmas brings. Hands held tight as the church bells chime. Hope is here, it's Christmas time. Stars above like candles white, guiding us home. Light up the night. Oh, the air feels new again. Kindness starts where we begin. Share a song, share a smile. Stay together just a while. And if you fall, you're still in sight. Love can cross the silent night.